Hello, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So, you're probably thinking, why has Nath got no top on? Well, it's because it's 30 degrees outside. Just come back in from riding bikes, went out for probably about an hour and a half, an hour. Turned up to my mate's house and he had a surprise that sat there for me, which apparently he's had for a month and I didn't even know. So, today, you get a little bit of a treat, a little bit of a review of a HP4. So, BMW S1000 HP4. Probably have a play on it for 5 or 10 minutes, and what a great bike it is. Never been on a HP4 before. I've got an S1000 at garage that I've never ridden. I've just modified, but that'll be on road soon. But yeah, watch footage and find out. You get to see exactly my response to that bike, and you'll see exactly how I feel about it. Let me know what these mirrors are like.
Shit.
Shit.
They're terrible.
Oh, they're
absolutely terrible.
I'm gonna buy some stuff.
No, do not buy them. You can have them and I'll have your standards. They are absolutely terrible. You just can't see over your shoulders at all.
So you just feel like you're riding that mirrors?
Yeah.
You haven't just bought an S1000, you bought the racing S1000 basically. Yeah. So your F1000, so imagine the Gen 1, Gen 2. They're very similar. Yours is like, they've got their Gen 1 or Gen 2 and gone, right, how do we make this like race spec sort of thing? So put lighter parts on it, and mine's 190 kilo weight or whatever, and yours is 170. Yours are 20 kilo lighter. There's a big difference. Hot on it. One thing bikes need, fucking aircon. Can you imagine? Quick that though. Very quick that. Woo! Whooshy mama. Don't put it in that. That's fully fucking track like race. No. What modes have you got? So fast rain. Rain's fast as well, probably flashing at you because it's saying it's not fucking raining. What's rear? Like my front wheel picking up there and John over behind you trying to catch her. If we're picking my front end up, but I've got no ABS road, whereas yours would have been kicking in. Watch this wagon. Watch this wagon. And this Amazon's on. Oh, what the fuck was all that? Hit my foot. Wait, no for like your pockets, has it? Look like bricks or something, but it was fairly big. Do you want to see it around? Have a look. In case something's fall off your bike or fucking something. Let me pull up on left hand side here. Have a nosy. No, it's not off you. Must have been something on the road. Yeah. Yeah. It was big, whatever it was. 2 bits fell. It was like 2 bits that come up. Ooh. Don't know how far down it was because we were getting it a bit, weren't we? My left foot hit it. So that's on, it'll be on the other side of the road, if anything, I can imagine. Yeah, I'm through, yeah. See what the speed difference is between the K4 and the HP4. Jigsaw gets smoked. That's a big fucker, isn't it? Don't want him running you over. Another one. I just suppose I can do a review of the HP4. Oh, what's rear red mean? Oh, the steering feels different, doesn't it? Heavier steering on it. Everything feels different. Clutch is mega light. There's no mirrors at all. Yeah, that's horrendous, isn't it? Ready? Oh, it's nice, but it's very nimble, isn't it? It's very fucking. Oh, it's so nimble. I'm doing 40 mile an hour. I fucking I didn't realise. Oh, I like this. Oh god, it's like riding. It's like riding a push bike. Oh, brakes and sharp as fuck as well. Jesus. Oh, it's lovely. This is Ash. Oh god. Oh my god. Even like I'm only going very slow, obviously, but just dipping into that, it's like it just wants to. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, what a bike. Oh, the brakes are so sharp though, that's amazing. That is how responsive that is. Like in mine, I feel like I need to ride around in third gear all the time, but this, you can feel it's happy in fourth. Yeah, it feels very comfortable, yeah. Oh god, that noise. Oh god, it's going to make me spunk. I don't know what indicator is. Oh, is it indicator on? Indicator is very short, isn't it? Yeah. Oh god, it actually sounds fucking mint. He's letting us out. Didn't get a fork, just pulled out on everyone. Oh god. Even though, well no, yours weighs probably a bit more than Jigsaw, but mine weighs a lot more than yours, I can imagine, 20 kilo more or whatever, but it still feels a lot lighter than Jigsaw, even though it says it's not. Clutch is hurting my hand a bit. It's like it's too hard, like is it hydraulic or cable? Like it's pulling back, do you like a lot of tension on my fingers? Oh, what a bike this is, that's just fucking mint. Oh my god, this video that I've got is just going to be me going, oh. So I'll have to compare yours to mine, and you might have just ruined my bike. It feels like you're literally on a push bike with a massive engine on this. It's so nice. I'd say the bars, the levers on yours are smaller than what I've got on mine, so I've got them heated grips on, but yours are factory heated grips. I don't have factory, so I've had to put aftermarket on, and they're fatter than this. So I'll probably get a number hand quicker. So clutch is a little bit stiff in my hand, however, how often do you hold your clutch and just knock it into neutral if you're really that bothered, don't you? Brakes nice and sharp. Mirrors are absolute fucking dog shit. Yeah. Seating position's really comfortable. To be fair, I'd say the position that my legs are in, I'm more comfortable on this than I am on mine, on Gixxer. I feel like I'm a lot less scrunched up. You're like sat, even though it's a super sport, you're sat up a bit, aren't you? I'd say there's a bit more vibration in these bars than what there is on my Gixxer. I feel it vibrating up through both my forearms. Seating position's really nice. And it just, you don't realise what speed you're doing. You feel like you're on a push bike almost, because it's so light and nimble. And then when you're dipping into corners, it wants to tip for you. Whereas mine, not that it don't want to tip, but it's not as, I don't know what the word is, free-flowing, let's say, into corners. Oh, it's a lovely bike this is. So I don't know what plate it is, it's on a private reg. It is the HP4. So it's got to be probably what, 15 plate. It's not overly warm to ride on. Very good looking bike. Sounds amazing. I don't know if you're picking that up. The brakes are so sharp. Turning circles like a bus. What plate is it? 15 plate. I guess the 15 plate and all. Your light's opposite way around to mine and all, innit? Monocle's on the other side, I think. I think mine's that on that side and that on that side. Yeah. No, they changed it round slightly through years. They are awful. Need to get rid of them. Yeah. Braking's fucking really good on that though, isn't it? It's enough to chuck you off at bike if you grabbed a fistful. With this, there's not that, like on my videos, if you're watching them bike, you'll see like I talk about how shit my braking is, and it's not shit. It's just almost like slow, spongy. That you could break one finger. Jumping back on this though, this is so much more lent over, isn't it? Just because there's like a big tank to lean over, isn't there? A bit further, try and find somewhere for like an ice cream or a drink or something. Just dip it in.
Pull that off for me.
I'm jealous that you're taking yours off, I can't.
It's just sticking. It's not this picture, I'm a little bit further down.
I don't mind. What do you want? Bit nice further in, isn't it? I said it's a bit nicer further in. You alright? Oh, you got too many good ones.
Oh, we're being sold out. It's been really busy.
How much are they? The price?
The prices are all on the door there.
Well, I want Jammy Dodger, but they've also got Jaffa Cake. Oh no, but they've got 4. Do you do 4 scoops? Do you do 5 scoops?
Do mine first. Can I have 2 scoop cones with me and this coffee?
You alright?
Nice day.
Oh, it's too warm though, isn't it? Although I'm not regretting it. I'm not regretting it because we do love the warm, but
We've been grilled with a bit of a cold.
yeah.
What do you want in yours?
Can I have it in a tub? Can I have Jammy Dodger, Jaffa Cake and Biscoff, please?
Is that a camera secret?
Yeah, record, yeah. I do a YouTube video and...
Sky Sports News now. We're live on Sky Sports News.
No, we're not.
Alright. I'll show you your ice cream. Do us a favour.
Do that. What?
Show you your ice cream.
I will do, definitely. Oh,
£6.70, please. Thank you.
thank you. See if it goes through.
I'm not running after you if it doesn't.
No. I'll not leave country. I'm gonna look at my bank account and it's gonna be like £24 been taken. There we go. Sweet. Right, thank you. Cheers. cow shacking video. Yeah, ice cream. Cow shack.
You might get wet down here.
Oh, let's go and sit next to it then. Let it sprinkle on my head. Fancy this, innit? Like I get paid and it just evaporates.
Cheat night last night, so.
What did you have?
Well, we had homemade pizzas, but they're all sore and.
I'll put with them. Just a sound. Living in a lonely world. Yeah. Right. See you later, mate. Will do. And you. See you later. Oh, what a run today has been. I mean, a short little blast, but such great riding. Nice and warm. Well, I'm saying nice and warm, it's fucking boiling. Nothing too crazy, nice and steady. I'm back home for a decent time, get out with family. Got published me, what are they doing? Whoa, that were a big fucking rock. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for the people that have subscribed, liking, dropping me comments, and so on. So tomorrow should be a good day. Got some bikes to record, some content to make. I'll make a short little video about that Hp4. I didn't really ride it for that long. I had a little go. God, it's a good bike, that is. So yeah, please continue to like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.